This is a video of my Thomas Wooden Railway collection, so please enjoy. Here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Mavis, Salty, Boko, Daisy, Diesel, Rosie, Bill, Ben, Stepney, Stanley, Arthur, Murdoch, Spencer, Harvey, Ari, Bert, Molly, Neville, Dennis, Billy, Whiff, Fergus, Scruff, Hank, Flora, Derek, Mike, Wilbert, Frank, Hero, Coldy, Sodor Railway Repair, Stafford, Emily, Victor, Neil, Paxton, Norman, Sydney, Big City Engine, the Diesel, Diesel 199, Bash, Dash, Ferdinand, and the Flying Scotsman. Here are my Thomas and the Magic Railroad items. Lady, Splatter, Dodge, and Diesel 10. Here are my narrow gauge engines. Scarloey, Rheneas, Sir Handel, Peter Sam, Rusty, Duncan, Fearless Freddy, Ivo Hugh, Smudger, Bertram, Proteus, Mighty, Mac, and Duke. Here are my road vehicles. Sir Topham Hatt's car, Bertie, Terrence, Trevor, Butch, Bulgy, Jack, Alfie, Byron, Max, Monty, Nelson, Kelly, Patrick, Isabella, Thumper, Madge, George, Lori 1, Lori 2, Lori 3, Elizabeth, Crosby Station cargo truck, old fire engine, new fire engine, and the water tanker. Here are my airborne vehicles: Harold, Tiger Moth, and Jeremy. And here are my water vehicles: Bulstrode, Captain, the Sodor Bay tugboat, and the Sodor Bay cargo ship. Here are my coaches: Annie, Clarabelle, Henrietta, Old Slow Coach, the Express coaches, Knapford Express coaches, Catherine, Ada, Jane, Mabel, 10 Years in America coach, Flores Tram, Sodor Mail Coach, and the Duke and Duchess's coach. Here are my trucks and other rolling stock. Hector, Scruffy, Fred, White-Faced Troublesome Truck, Troublesome Brake Van, Troublesome Truck, Giggling Troublesome Truck, 3 Gray Troublesome Trucks, 3 Tidmouth Milk Tankers, 3 Sodor Scrap Cars, 3 Sodor Cargo Cars, the Construction Cars, the Sodor China Clay Cars, the Zoo Cars, the Waterworks Cars, the Dairy Cars, Baggage Cars, Sodor Fuel Tankers, Sawmill Log Car, the Oil and Petrol Car, Tar Tanker, Oil Tanker, Garbage Car, Flour Barrel Car, Flour Car, Sodor Hand Car, Sodor Museum Fossil Car, the Bee Car, the Duke and Duchess's Furniture Car, the Spare Parts Car, Fire Engine, the Animal Train, and the Sodor Cookie Factory Cars. Here are my brake vans and cabooses. Toad, Northwest Brake Van, and 2 Sodor Line cabooses. Here are my cranes. Cranky, Colin, Rocky, New Style Breakdown Train, and Old Style Breakdown Train. Here are my extra engines. 1992 Thomas, 1994 Thomas, Old Style Thomas, Tired Out Expression Thomas, New Style Thomas, New Style Thomas, Surprise Face Thomas, Worried Face Thomas, Thomas and the Flower, Thomas Comes to Breakfast, Paint Splatter Thomas, Winter Wonderland Thomas, Covered in Fish Thomas, Paint Splatter Thomas, Winter Wonderland Thomas, Thomas and the Bees, and Old Style Battery Powered Thomas, along with New Style Edward, Tired Out Expression Edward, New Style Henry, Sad Face Henry, New Style Gordon, Old Style James, New Style James, James with Team Colors, Busy as a Bee James, Old Style Battery Powered James, 1992 Percy, 1994 Percy, 1994 Percy, New Style Percy, New Style Percy, Coal Dust Percy, Jack Frost Percy, Chocolate Covered Percy, 1992 Toby, New Style Toby, 1994 Round Roof Duck, 1992 Douglas, 1994 Oliver, New Style Oliver, 1992 Four-Wheel Mavis, New Style Stepney, 1993 Gray Top Boko, Surprise Face Spencer, Patchwork Hero, Lost and Found Hero, 2013 Diesel 199, Rheneas in his new coat of paint, Old Style Sir Handel, Old Style Peter Sam, Old Style White Roof Rusty, New Style Duncan, and 2013 Flying Scotsman. Here are my factory air items. Splatter with Dodge's face, and Dodge with Splatter's face. Here are my extra road vehicles. New Style Birdie, 1982 Terrence, New Style Trevor, and New Style Butch. Here are my extra rolling stock. 1992 Annie, 1992 Annie, 1992 Clarabelle, New Style Scruffy, Old Style Toad, Rickety, Orange Rickety, and Gold Mine Rickety. Here are extra various figurines that have been seen in my Thomas Wooden Railway series. The first 2 are 2 plastic figures of Sir Topham Hatt and Lady Hatt. Then there are 2 women passengers, 2 male passengers, 1 boy and 1 girl, 4 various figurines of either workmen, drivers, firemen, station masters, etc., who have all played different roles in my Thomas Wooden Railway series, and 5 models of Sir Topham Hatt, along with 3 cows. Here are my extra engines that are still in their original packaging. Old Style Thomas, limited edition Thomas Comes to Breakfast, the Holiday Tunnel, which includes an exclusive Christmas Thomas, Old Style Edward, 60th Anniversary Henry, Old Style Percy, Old Style Donald, Brown Label Clarabelle, Old Style Clarabelle, Tidmouth Milk Tanker, and the Sodor Line